Deep in the heart of a sun-drenched forest lived Toby, a kind-hearted turtle with a very big heart and a gentle smile. Today was the great forest race. While the others giggled at his slow pace, Toby prepared himself with quiet determination. The signal blew. In a blur of speed, the rabbit, squirrel and deer dashed ahead, disappearing into the thick green woods. Slowly but surely, Toby moved forward. He knew he wasn't the fastest, but he believed that every small step counted. Near the finish line, the leaders suddenly stopped. A tiny baby bird had fallen from its nest and lay chirping sadly on the ground. When Toby arrived, he didn't hesitate. He used his sturdy shell as a platform, helping the others reach the high branches. Together, they rebuilt the nest and ensured the little bird was safe. The race was forgotten in the spirit of helping a friend. They crossed the finish line side by side. The wise owl watched from above, nodding his head in quiet, dignified approval. "Kindness is the ultimate victory," the owl hooted. Toby and his friends realized that winning is nothing compared to the joy of helping. As the stars began to twinkle, the friends rested under the canopy, knowing they had all won the greatest prize of all.